Hello, young explorers. Shh, I can't tell you exactly what we are going to learn today, but I can give you a little clue. We're going on an adventure that takes us far, far away, to places where jungle vines meet sparkling oceans. We're going to explore some of the most wonderful habitats on Earth, from the deep, dark rainforests, all the way down to the coral reefs. And because we are exploring so many different worlds today, you're going to need your very best explorer eyes and your loudest curiosity voice. Are you ready? Good, because our first stop is with a creature that can do everything. It lives on land, it swims in the water, and it even flies through the air. Guess what it is? Whoops! Wait just a minute. Before we jet off to meet our amazing friend, we need to do something super important as explorers. We have to sharpen up those explorer skills first. Because the animals we meet today are incredibly clever. They don't just exist in their homes, they are built for them. Every part of an animal, their fur, their feathers, even the shape of their noses, helps them survive where they live. We call these amazing helpers adaptations. And how do explorers figure out what an animal's adaptation is? By looking closely. It's like being detectives. So let's play a quick game called Adaptation Detectives. Are you ready to put on your detective hats? She mimes putting on a magnifying glass. I'm going to show you an animal part, and I want you to use your detective brains to guess why that adaptation helps them live in their specific home. Ready? Here we go. Look at this magnificent creature, the giraffe. What is going on with its neck? She pauses, looking expectantly into the camera. Why do you think it needs such a super long neck to eat the leaves from, whispers, those high branches? That's right, it helps them reach food that other animals can't. Amazing observation, detectives. Now, look at this friend. She points to the polar bear. Polar bears live in icy places. What is helping them survive when it's freezing cold? Exactly! That thick, wonderful fur keeps them warm like a giant, fluffy blanket. And finally, she points to the chameleon. Look at this sneaky little guy. It changes colors. Why do you think changing color is helpful? You got it. It helps them hide. It keeps them safe from anyone who might want to bother them. You are all incredible adaptation detectives. Give yourselves a huge round of applause. Because you have used your amazing explorer brains, we are now ready for our big reveal. We learned that some animals live on land, others swim in the ocean. But what is one incredible creature that can do both? Get ready, because I think I know where we're going.